Now we will discuss the MCQs that are present in your chapter. So the first MCQ is number 1. The protection of an internal environment from the harms of the fluctuation is the definition of which of the following? Osmoregulation, excretion, thermoregulation या homeostasis. The right option है option D, homeostasis. Second है the category of the plant that has adapted of small and thick leaves to limit the water loss are called option A hydrophytes, option B xerophytes, option C mesophytes, option D hygrophytes. The right option है option B, xerophytes. Third है the environment where the animals produce the large volume of diluted urine. Option A hydroponic aquatic, option B isotonic aquatic, option C hypertonic aquatic, option D terrestrial. The right option is option A hydroponic aquatic. Fourth है which of the following is called the excretory, contributing mainly in the elimination of the waste in plants. Option A stems, option B roots, option C leaves, option D flower. The right option is option C leaves. Fifth question है the excretory products that require the minimum water for its elimination compared to other. Option A urea, option B uric acid, option C creatinine, option D ammonia. The right option is option B uric acid. Sixth है the groups of animals whose excretory system is structurally associated with the nutritive tract. Option A vertebrates, option B earthworm, option C planaria, option D insects. The right option is option D insects. Seventh है the excretory structure that deliver the urine from kidney to urinary bladder is called option A urethra, option B pelvis, option C ureter, option D collecting tubules. The right option is option C collecting tubules. Eighth है the metabolic waste that are ingested into the body and must be removed. Option A pesticide, option B drugs, option C food additives, option D all of the above. The right option है option D all of the above. Question 9 है which of the following is not the endotherm? Option A bird, option B amphibian, option C flying insect, option D mammals. The right option is option B amphibians. Question 10 है the name the type of adaptation from the following that is responsible for the shivering thermogenesis. Option A structural, option B physiological, option C behavioral, option D none of the above. The right option is option B physiological. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs कंप्लीट हो गए. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ योर चैप्टर.